folks. We're back with an old project that we started a long time ago with the boys, Mr. B, Mr. M, working hard. Did a lot of other projects in between. Fortunately, we did one project that didn't turn out as good as we thought we would have. But so we'll get to that another time. So we're splitting up the block of the Buell again, because we got finally, after months and months of waiting, we got all our parts in. So check it out. Now lightly sand it down with a fine grit sandpaper. Make sure it's nice and level, nice and flat. No dings or scars or whatever. There you go. Lubricate that baby. We're a quiet bunch tonight, so this episode's kind of, what are we doing? Not saying much. That's pretty tough plastic that you have to take it out of.
Well, that's $150 a piece.
Dollars or euros?
Euros.
Those were 5, I think. What I can vaguely remember.
4849.
Yeah.
And this is slightly over 5, so there.
All right, folks. So what we did today, we did what we wanted to do. Put the block back together, put the transmission with the drum and the shifter forks, everything else in there. So that's gonna look, apparently it's shifting, so that's gonna work out probably just fine. Hopefully we did it right. I think so. Everything seems to fit nicely. Got it all tightened down to specs. And for tonight, this was a short episode because it's late. Mr. B got here a little late. He had to pick up his daughter from Applethorne. Funny place. So that was it for today. Say goodbye, boys.
What's this called, Bart?
Gender neutral shifter fluid.
Yes, correct.
You can't call it tranny fluid because you might offend someone. So it's gender neutral shifter fluid.
Gender neutral shifter fluid.
Yep.
That's right.
From Bardol, it's gender neutral, 2020 approved.
That's why we do things here. That's why we swing. All right. So see you guys next week. Take care.